Hi everyone, we're going to have a special class tomorrow. This coming year, 2025 has a specific code. And when you look at 2025, it has double twos, which is about relationship, connection, harmony. And then you have the five, which is the change, physical body, movement, and some acts of rebellious. So we're gonna have a special yoga and meditation class, a solar Nam yoga. We're gonna do a lot of movement, breath work, a lot of shaking, and some longer meditation to actually call in some harmony, diffuse the duality that we each one of us carry, and create an inner understanding to basically have a greater capacity to move through the year. So, as I call it, it's a New Year's Eve breakthrough class. Focus on making 2025 a better year, a better frequency for us individually and collectively. It's online. It's really easy to sign in and register. The registration link is below, and I wholeheartedly invite you, and I would love to see you, and I would love us all to kind of do it together. I would love to do it in person, but it's this technology will work even remotely, and we can all do it together and calling in that harmony and inner knowing to create a better path. I hope to see you there. Hariom.